You're watching the Ship on Day 1 Field Guide. I'm Hans. Let's get ship done. You're probably watching this video because you're interested in continuous integration. And continuous integration can mean a lot of different things to different people. But when we talk about it here, we mean creating an automatic system that can check the code that you've written in order to see if it's likely to integrate into your project, as well as likely to be able to be deployable out to production or to one of your other environments. When a continuous integration system is working well, you'll notice several benefits. First of all, whenever you commit a new change, it will run the continuous integration system, building, testing, and checking your code for various things that you might normally check. So for example, making sure that your code passes linting rules or code style rules that your team might have defined. Additionally, when running well, this will be a relatively quick and friction-free process. If you're running the continuous integration system on every change that you make, it's important for it to run quickly. There are some symptoms of suboptimal continuous integration systems, and a good example of this is when you still have manual integration steps that your programmers need to do before they can commit up their code. An example might be the build step. It might be the case that even when you've written your code, you need to manually run the build step before you can commit it up to whatever your source code management system is. And that's a step that could probably be moved to your continuous integration system. If you're noticing manual steps, you might want to consider making some changes to your continuous integration system. When making changes, it's important to be intentional, to make sure that the changes work for you and your team and your projects in specific. Over at shipondayone.com, we've created the Field Guide. It's a growing list of tools, techniques, and tactics in order to optimize your continuous integration system. We also have a video series which focuses on continuous integration, looking at scaling, measuring, and optimizing continuous integration systems. You can find both of those resources as well as so many more at shipondayone.com. I'll see you there. Thank you.